What is going on, everybody? Noble here with you guys today. Welcome back to Got a Game Daily. In today's video, we are going to be hooking up our Xbox account to our Discord server. Now, there's been some people having issues with this, and I think I've solved it, so we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Now, the first thing that you got to do over on your Xbox is head on over to your system settings, go ahead and jump in there, and then from account, go on over to linked social accounts. Now from here, you've got your Facebook, your Twitter, which we'll go ahead and make videos for that later on, but today we're going to be focusing on the Discord side of things. So all you got to do is press the A button for link, and that's going to bring you to a splash page. Now it says Discord Rich Presence. Link your Xbox account to Discord to show what games you are playing. Discord is a voice, text, and video chat app for gamers that's free, secure, and works on desktop and mobile. Now as of right now, you can only link this through your mobile device with a PC update coming out later on. So all you gotta do is go ahead and click on link account, and that's going to go ahead and bring you to this page right here. Now it gives you a code that you need to put into your mobile account. So from here, we're gonna switch on over to our phone, and I'm gonna show you guys an issue that I've been having. So over on our phone, as you guys can see right now, we're gonna go ahead and open up the Discord app. And from here, what you're gonna wanna do is click on the top left corner, and then go to your settings on the bottom right. Now from here, you wanna go to connections, and go ahead and add some. Now as you guys can see, I do not see a Xbox account here. We got Facebook, Reddit, Spotify, Steam, Twitch, Twitter, and YouTube. Now the way to fix that is I'm actually going to show you a page here where you can go ahead and go to, but I will have it linked in the description so you guys can go ahead and check that out as well. So I found this page right here, and it's the help center here. So we're going to scroll down some real quick, and it says right here, for Xbox insiders, keep in mind this is only available for select insiders at the moment. It may be available for everyone by the time this video posts. If not, it will be available for everyone very soon. So if you guys are not seeing things like this right now, if you scroll all the way down here, you can see if you do not see this option on your Android device, you may have to opt in as a public beta tester. So you go ahead and click on this here. And you guys can see right here, it's got my personal account and should go ahead and automatically install yours. And it says, welcome to the testing program. I am already in it, so I am a tester. So it says, download the Discord chat app on Google Play. So we may have to go ahead and update that. That may be your biggest issue right now. So as you guys can see here, once you click on that link, you get to the Discord beta app. We're gonna go ahead and press update and just wait for that to go ahead and update. Alright, so there you guys go. It's starting to update. It is now updated. We should be good to go. We're going to go ahead and back out. We're going to go ahead and check on it again. So we're going to click the download Discord app once more. Alright, so once that's done, you can go ahead and click on open on your Android or iPhone. I, of course, am doing this on the Android side of things. Alright, so once you open back up once more, you're going to go ahead and click on the top left one more time, and then go down to the bottom right to where your settings are. And then check out connections. We're going to go to add, and you guys can now see the Xbox Live icon at the very top. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and then refer back to what you guys should have on your Xbox screen, which you guys can still see on screen right now. I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and I've got HUVFMR. Now of course your code is going to be whatever it is that you guys have, and then you guys have it right here. Now you do have two options here. You have the option to display it on your profile, which is on right now. That's off, on. And you can also display your Xbox Live as your status. So that's off and that is on. So that is the way that you go ahead and connect your Xbox One to your Discord account. Once again, some people were having issues with this. I was having issues with it as well. All you needed to do was make sure that you got the beta app, make sure you update all that stuff. Once again, all of these links are in the description down below. Alright guys, so before we go ahead and finish this video, I just wanted to let you guys know that this is only hooking up your Xbox account on your Discord server so that people can see what games you are currently playing. There's a lot of people that think that this means you can use your Discord chat on your Xbox. That is not the case, at least not for right now. And the main reason for that is because Xbox actually has a really good party chat system. Like, it's easy to capture, it's easy to stream, it's easy just to get your friends in there. And if they were to bring in the Discord chat for this purpose, it'd kind of be a admission that either they're doing something wrong or that it's not as good as they'd like it to be. And in my opinion, the Xbox One party chat system is actually really, really good. So for those of you out there that think that this is for including your Discord chat server into your Xbox. That is not the case. Just wanted to make sure to put that out there. And with that said, again, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, like, share, sub, all of that good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time.